Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Pasquini with us in the shop. And it came in originally for a tune-up and some other issues, but the machine came back to us under warranty for issues relating to the group head gasket and its sealing of the portafilter, and also some minor issues when it came to water getting inside of the gasket. After talking with Pasquini for quite a bit, what they recommended us to do is actually use a much more expensive gasket, this being the silicone one. I can pull one out here just to kind of show you it is a Bazzera, official Bazzera gasket. These ones are a little bit more expensive. They're much more softer, more squishier on your portafilter, so they're easier to put the portafilter inside of the group head. And also they're just much better. They last much longer. Again, that's why they're more expensive. So we replaced the gasket that we originally bought. This is a universal Pasquini gasket. We replaced this normal gasket with a silicone one inside of the group head. We have the portafilter here with a blind basket. We're just going to show before and after. So originally when you had to put the portafilter in, you actually had to hold the machine down. But now that we have it in there, you can actually just put the machine in, or put the portafilter in without having to hold on to the machine. Pull the portafilter out. As you can see, works good. Doesn't go past that 90, maybe a little bit, but again, we're going to leave it at the 90 just to kind of show it building up pressure. Again, that silicone gasket is much softer. As you can see, up to 10 bars, holding pressure really good. Portafilter's not moving around. And yeah, so this should resolve that issue with the group head gasket. We're just going to turn this off, wait for all that water to get out, pull the portafilter off, nice and easy. Again, putting it back on, much easier than before, just because of that softer gasket. So yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.